Hi everyone, welcome to week 4! Yay! So for this discussion post, I chose to do the question of when are text messaging and email appropriate in business communication and why. So text messaging is appropriate in business when the message is short and simple. If the conversation will require more than 4 messages total, it should not be sent as a text. Texting should only be used for short, to-the-point communications, like sending a reminder or FYI. When you are constructing your message, it is important to consider who the receiver is and the type of slang or abbreviations that can be used. You may not text your supervisor with the same message you would a close coworker. If the message is an urgent matter or delivers some type of bad news, it is best to communicate this over the phone. Tone can also be very difficult to convey over text messaging, so an important message should also be delivered in another way. An email is appropriate when the message is too long to text, but should still be kept brief. Emails are very frequently used to ask questions of coworkers without having to disturb them with a phone call or a tap on the shoulder. They're used to send out meeting announcements and minutes, to distribute important forms, and to conduct workplace surveys. If the message is complicated or requires a complex response, it is best to handle this over a phone call or a conversation in person. Emails can be helpful to communicate internally, such as giving updates and sending memos. Emails can also be used externally. It is important to keep this in mind when creating your email. People generally try to address emails with a certain degree of professionalism, making sure to have a clear and concise subject line that makes emails easy to spot in the inbox and paying at least some attention to grammar, spelling, and capitalization. You should keep in mind that an email exchange may be used in a third-party discussion or could be forwarded to others.